This thing's a pile of junk, and it's not actually mine. So I'm trying to get some kind of a generator or engine drive set up so that I can do mobile welding, and kind of too cheap to go out and just buy one of these things because they're pretty expensive. Got that motor right there. Supposedly runs, at least it ran on ether. So I'm trying to make that, put that on a generator and use that to power my welder. So here I've got the motor that I'm going to use to run this generator. Got the oil pan off of it. And it's pretty obvious that piston's coming apart. These things came out of its piston rings coming apart, but it looks to be only on one side. And I got this motor out of a dumpster, so I'm already doing pretty good that I got one side of a motor that's perfectly good. And this is a 20 horse motor, so I'm thinking that if I just take this head off, pull that piston out, and put that head back on, close everything up, I'll just have a one-cylinder motor. Probably have to plug up that one intake tube there. So ought to be about 10 horse if it's only running one cylinder. If it was 20 with two, so I think 10 horse ought to be able to power a 5,000 watt generator. Maybe not, maybe won't get the full 5,000 out of it, but it'll work. It'll put some power out. So that's what I'm going to try. So here's the head. See, a lot of stuff got banged around in there. Spark plug smashed. Inside there's piston, big hole in it. So that's coming out. Got the cap screws off. Pop the rod cap off. Pretty good. And I'm just gonna reach in there with this, see if I can pull it out. Oh, it just wants to come apart in there. Well, maybe we can push it. Completely destroyed, but we're just gonna put it back together like that and see how it runs. Okay, so about to run this engine with only one piston in it. I've filled this line here with gas. I got my battery ready to go, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Nothing. Check them for spark. Get the spark plug out and resting against that thing for a ground. Focus. whatever. So we'll get the spark. She runs. One cylinder.